Welcome back to Digital Wealth Lab. Topic: how to start an AI content creation agency, make $5,000 a month. What if I told you that you can start a business that generates content for clients without writing a single word yourself? Sounds crazy, right? But with AI, it's 100% possible. In today's video, I'll show you how to start an AI content creation agency and make up to $5,000 per month or more. What is an AI content creation agency? An AI content creation agency is a business where you use AI tools to generate high-quality content for businesses, blogs, and social media. Clients pay you to create blog posts, ad copies, video scripts, and more, without you having to write everything manually. Step-by-step guide to start this business. Step 1. Choose the right AI tools. To create high-quality content, you'll need AI-powered writing tools. Here are some of the best options. ChatGPT. For blog writing, emails, and ad copies, Jasper AI. For high-quality marketing content copy. Soisai. For short-form content like social media posts, Pictory. For AI-generated video scripts. Step 2. Find your niche. Instead of offering everything, focus on one niche to attract high-paying clients. Here are some profitable niches: finance investing, high CPM, health wellness, evergreen, business marketing, high demand, technology, AI, trending. Step 3. Set up your portfolio. Before getting clients, you need a strong portfolio. Here's how to create one fast. Create 3-5 sample blog posts using AI, generate a few ad copies and social media posts, design a simple website or LinkedIn profile showcasing your work. Step 4. Get clients. Now it's time to get paid. You can find clients through freelancing platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, cold outreach, email, LinkedIn, Facebook groups, Reddit communities, YouTube, TikTok marketing. Showcase your work. How much can you earn? Let's talk about money. Here's the potential income: $50, $200 per blog post, $500, $3,000 per month per client, 5,000 plus hours per month with just 5 to 10 regular clients. AI is the future, and businesses need content more than ever. If you want to start your own AI content agency, comment AI business below, and I'll help you with more tips. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more business ideas. Starting an AI content agency is one of the easiest and most profitable online businesses right now. The best part, you don't need any experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to start an online business. See you in the next video. Thank you.